Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought I'd share with you a fun trick to do using two jacks, okay? This trick is called HiJacked, and so we'll just use the two jacks here. It doesn't matter which jacks you use. You have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator, just go ahead and select any card that they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it, don't show you. You take their card and lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck of cards, okay? You have no idea where it is. You can give the deck a few cuts and even a nice shuffle, completely losing the location of their card, okay? Now, you're gonna need to incorporate the help of the two jacks, and here we have the Jack of Spades and the Jack of Hearts, okay? These two cards are gonna help find the selected card, okay? The spectator's card. Now, if I just riffle down the cards like this, I can get one card to go in between the jacks. Look at that, the Nine of Spades, was that your card? And that's hijacked. And now before I tell you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this video and this channel. It really helps me out. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you. Thank you for all your support. If you're looking to become a channel member, just do it through YouTube, and there's a little tab you can click and it gives you all the information there, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. All right, hijack, the tutorial. Now, you have a regular deck of cards, and they're well mixed, well shuffled, and you can use any two jacks you want. I just use these two jacks. It doesn't matter which ones you use. You can, use the kings, queens, any two cards if you'd like, but just because it's called hijacked, jacks are appropriate for this trick, okay? So, regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select any card that they like. True and free selection, it doesn't matter. You're just gonna have to get their card to the top of the deck, okay? So let's just assume they picked the king of clubs here. And what I did was I just pretend to put it in the middle, and you put it about halfway down and push it in a little ways, and then the last push down on their card, and that'll push the rest of the deck up so you can get a break, okay? So their card is on top of this bottom stack, and then I just cut half of this top stack, place it on the table, cut to the break, place it on the table, and finish the cut, and now their card is on top. And then you can finish that off with a shuffle, and just shuffle their card last, which is this card right here, just to maintain it on top of the deck, okay? So their card's on top. Now you get a break underneath their card, and now you pick up the two jacks, okay? And then grab all three cards at that break and just display what jacks you have, and just peel off the top card. This is two cards with their card here on the bottom of that card, okay? Place these cards together just like this. I switch hands just because it's better for me just to kind of riffle the deck down with my right hand than my left hand. I'm right-handed, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. And then when you, grab the deck and riffle through, when you push them through, just do like, a little kind of snap, and that'll make it look like you've grabbed, one card in between the two jacks, and because you picked it up with that break, it'll be their selected card, okay? It's really fun to do. It's nice and easy. Takes a little bit of work to get the card to the top of the deck. I have a tutorial video on 3 ways to do it. You can use any way you like. It doesn't matter, just as long as you get their card to the top, then grab it with the break, and then do the throw through, okay? So that'll take just a little bit of practice, okay? That's hijack. Let me know what you think. Nice and easy today, and I'll see you next time.